So children, I had promised you that we will do a painting which I saw in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. It's a very simple painting, anybody can do it, but it looks really very beautiful. So I've taken my scale and I've taken a marker and I quickly draw a few pencils here and there. See, I'm just drawing pencils haphazardly here and there. This is one pencil. Okay. Now I draw another pencil. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा बनाने का है. This painting was visible when तारक मेहता के शायद से there was a चोरी in his house and Madhvi had left to the bank. Had left to the bank to deposit the jewelry over there, and behind कौन है वो? इंस्पेक्टर चालू पांडे. झूठ पड़ेगा तो नहीं, झूठ बोलोगे तो पड़ेंगे डंडे. Comes to see the house. See, I'm drawing teda meda pencils. Anyhow, it is just making pencils. So they are all colorful pencils. We'll be coloring them, and there is a special tact to color these pencils. So one pencil here. Okay, it will go behind somewhere here. It will not be visible. I'll draw one pencil here. So one corner of your page has to be filled with pencils. Color pencils. So because he is a teacher, so he has that painting in his house. If possible, I'll put a chip of that painting in between my video if I find it again. If I don't promise you. And ding 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 ding. And I'll make one more pencil. Yes, should I? Yes, I should. I'll make a little teda pencil here. One from behind. I've used a marker, so I have to be very careful when I'm making it. So a cluster of pencils here. I'll just close my marker fast. And this is the drawing. I'll just rub little dog which is here and there in my book, and we'll quickly start with the coloring part. So what we do is, first we take a skin color and we color all this part. This part, the skin color, because whenever you sharpen a pencil you will see that these parts are this color. So quickly we'll do this. It's a quick drawing, anybody can do it. Even my chunumunus who know to write standing lines, even they can opt for it, no problem. I tell this is my intermediate drawing, this is my this drawing, but I see even 5, 5, 6 years students have opted for Nariyal semi-realistic drawings, and I was really shocked when I say it is not meant for the younger ones, and still they have the entire josh to do it. So whichever color you take, you can take any color. You have to take a white color, and every time you color you have to be very careful with your borders. There should be no khir as I say. And see, this is done. When you're doing your borders, be very careful. You have to leave a tuchki white line, and what you do is just brush a white line, and this is just a shine. Now I'll quickly clean my white color. I'll take another color. I can take randomly any color. Which color I've taken? I've taken violet color now. So quickly making the borders first. Oh, I forgot one thing. We have to do the green part here also. Okay, if I forget, you have to remind me. Otherwise, this color will be lost and we'll not be able to do. Now, I'll do it first. Otherwise, then no teacher bhul jayegi. Tika tika. And we do the, see. When you're doing your borders, be very careful. It has to be sharp borders. And we take a white again. We smudge it. Only a little bit of smudging, जास्त करायचं नाही. Now we will take, okay, I have done that. I'll just keep the colors aside now. No, this will look more or less like the skin color. So let me take my fluorescent pink. I'll make a big pencil with fluorescent pink. I love this color. Bright. Not for my dresses, of course. For coloring. And I like the combination of red and yellow. It's a little khati combination, but in coloring it looks superb. See, now I'll quickly clean my white every time, but choose whenever you're doing, just clean your white, otherwise the purple might come in your and interfere with your drawing. So this pink is done. Now which color? Crocodile, crocodile, which color do you want? I want red. I'll do the Noku first. I want red. I want primary red. Ding ticka tick ticka tick ticka dong. So this is the Tarak Maitak Ulta Chashma. Tarak Maitak. This drawing is there in that. Very beautifully done. I'm doing it simply. I'm not making it on a canvas. So just doing it. Crocodile, crocodile, which color do you want? I want blue. So we'll do the blue color here. Have I done my blue? No, I've done my purples. I've done my Noku. When you do your borders, you need to be careful with this, so that because they are patlu pencils na, there are chances of it going out. Even teachers make mistakes. And then I clean my white and I do this. Now red और इसके बीच में क्या डाला जाए? ये पेंसिल को कौन सा कलर किया जाए? I can't locate my rose pink. Yes, I have taken my rose pink and let's do it rose pink. Crocodile, crocodile, which color do you want? I want rose pink. Now here there will be no shading because you're understanding, na? It's gone behind. The pencil is gone behind. So we just need to color this part properly. We'll clean our whites and shade it. See, tinka आयाला ना blue color चं थोडंसं असंच असतं. अच्छा, now which color? Now come on. Crocodile, crocodile, which color do you want? I'm taking brown. I'm just taking randomly whichever color is coming in my hand. No specifications. Had it been a live demo, I would have asked you all, and जो तुम लोग बोलते हो which करती थी teacher. अच्छा, अभी इधर भी it should just be mirror. And we take our whites to do a little bit of shine here. Okay, now 2 pencils are left. Now again, crocodile, crocodile, which color do you want? I take my green. I've taken the dark green. Now I take my light green. First I do the Noku. Yeah, I'm not done yellow. यार yellow रोएगा बेचारा. अभी I realized I've not done my yellows. मेरे वाटर कलर में भी येलो जास्त नहीं आई, फिर तो वो बच्चा डेफिनेटली रोएगा. See, this is, there was a little खरखर in my blue which I am rectifying by doing it again. So अभी yellow. Crocodile, crocodile, which color do you? I am taking my haldi wala yellow. Haldi wala yellow is the medium yellow, okay? So my yellow pencil is also done. A very simple drawing. The magic is the ding ticka outside part. So what we are going to do is, I'll be doing the outside part, but when I post, remember children, I will be doing the rebordering of the entire pencils. So whenever you post, please do your reborders, because I will have to give little time for it to dry. And there was a chap who had asked me कि आपने तारक मेहता वाला ड्राइंग अभी तक डाली नहीं, इसलिए मैंने झाड़ू बनाया था, पर मैंने झाड़ू डाला नहीं, मैंने तारक मेहता का उल्टे चश्मा का ड्राइंग डाला है. See, I have my container with water. It's very ganda, huh? And I have my colors, watercolors, and I use artistic watercolors. Children, if possible, please buy artistic watercolors. See, now I have taken enough of water in Miss. I am taking it. अच्छा, जब करते हैं ना तो इसका ऐसा कतल मत कर देना. Do it very nicely and softly, okay? See, you have done a bit of color here. Now wash your brush in water. Now I like the combination of pink. I'm putting a little more pink over here because I want it a little brighter. It's a very bright drawing, so I'm just putting a little pink here. Now you wash your brush properly. Now I like the combination of pink and yellow. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a lot of yellow in my brush. Ghumro, sham rang ghumro. See, enough color in my brush. Okay. Now what I do is I just put the yellows just at the corner. Let the colors decide where they are supposed to go. You don't decide, please. Let the colors decide. They will merge into each other. So you need not really bother about it. Now we'll take a blue. See, ghumro, shamaranga ghumro, ting-a-ding-a-ding. I'll take a little water. See, where this blue and yellow will mix, there will be a shade of green automatically. See, my red is flowing down. So whatever the colors want to do, please don't interfere with the parts what the colors want to do. Let the colors merge into each other. See, again I've cleansed my brush and I'm doing ghumro. This is my green color. अच्छा ये green इधर ही है, so I'll do it here because otherwise green हो जाता. So I'm doing it here. And since this portion is, I'm just taking a little water to jumpak it. Now, crocodile, which color do you want? I'm taking orange now. I've not used orange. So, all bright colors. Please don't use dull colors, children. Please. It's such a bright painting. So I'm putting a little water so that the colors can merge into it. Now again, which color should I take? With orange, let me take the darker shade of orange. Don't bother even if your colors go in your pencils because they can be wiped off. Okay. So I've taken a darker shade of orange. Again, I wash my brush. I take green again to do here because yellows and greens really look nice. Now, should I take the pink or should I take the yellow? I think so I should go in for yellow over here. So this is done. Now I'll jump for my greens. See, green is here, green is here. There is no greens this side. So let me take my greens. Softly let them merge into each other. Oh, now abhi kaun sa color lene ka? I'll take a little bit of pink here. I love this color, and then again I'll combine it with yellow. It looks fantastic. Now wash your brush, children. Every time you do, please wash your brush. Otherwise the color, the yellow color पिंक में डाला, उसके बाद उसका क्या भूतड़ा बना है, you will not know. See, now because this color was dry, you can see this part. Now this part needs to be done properly again with blue, so I'll be doing it. See, now here when I have mixed the color, the pink and the yellow, there is a little orange, and I'll have to take a little blue again. See, can you see here? and I will allow the color to flow wherever it wants. Now after this thing dries, I will take a snap, and remember I'll be redoing my borders of my pencil and then I will be posting it. Okay, bye till then.